Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Steve the hairstylist, coming live and clear from Nairobi, Kenya. So I want to say thank you so much, guys, for always coming to support your boy here. I'm so much grateful. So in today's video, I want to show you how to fix artificial dreadlocks. So watch the video, like, share, comment, interact also by asking any question that you would like to know about artificial dreadlocks. Here we go. So guys, that's how we go about it. So we are fixing artificial dreadlocks. That's our hair. So we're gonna fix it the whole head. We have already done the basic, so we are just attaching the artificial. That's how we do it. So continue watching, guys, until the final stages. So that's how we fix artificial dreadlocks. So the size of her hair was very short, so we decided we install artificial dreadlocks so that we can increase the length. So after this, you're gonna see the final look. So continue watching and also interact also by asking any question that you'd like to know about artificial dreadlocks. The easiest way to fix artificial. I'm gonna share the steps. So guys, that's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Thank you. Bye. Love you all.